It's been a long road since the federal receivership was put in place to overhaul Guam's waste management system. And while the receivership was supposed to end this December, that may not be the case due to a court decision made by Judge Francis Tydingco Gatewood Monday. Guam EPA Director Eric Palacios.
I am somewhat satisfied with the order that came out because the court granted a request that we had made, which was to close the Dededo Transfer Station.
The closure of the most heavily used transfer station in Guam is needed to save an estimated $3 million that would otherwise be needed to bring the facility into compliance. However, an additional $4.3 million is still needed to provide upgrades to transfer stations in Agate and Malolo, projects the federal receiver was ordered to fund through its special account. The closure of the Dededo Transfer Station and upgrades to the existing Agate and Malolo stations must be completed before the transition from the federal receivership can occur. This calls the existing December timeline into question, especially with the anticipation of additional projects. For example, both the Dededo and Agate sites have fallen victim to illegal dumping over the years, and in March 2014, an environmental site assessment found significant hazardous waste at the Dededo facility.
We know that contamination has not spread down into the subsurface, which ultimately means that our groundwater is still safe.
However, cleanup of these stations is needed and could require a significant investment on top of the budgeted $4.3 million. Palacios said EPA is building a case to hold those responsible for the waste accountable for the cleanup.
That shouldn't be something that the taxpayers of Guam should shoulder.
The Dededo station is set to close by June 30th. Reporting for Guam News Network, I'm Isa Baza.